It came with 2 license plate lights, but one of them just quit working.
Yeah, if you can take some pictures of that, and with the one working and the one.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're back in the garage. As you saw by the title, we're having issues with these lights that Rough Country provided for your license plate. Now, if you've watched my other video of the review, pros and cons of this bumper, if you haven't, I'll put a little link up top. But if you have not, I did show a quick clip of how thin these wires are. They're so thin that they won't even register on my wire stripping tool. So I will undo them. I will show you how thin they are. So we're gonna get them out. We're gonna get them soldered in today. We're going to get it all corrected and hopefully don't have any more issues. Love the color, love the little lights, but the wiring needs to be thicker. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so we're under the truck, and these are those little LED light wires. They are just so tiny. These are stock from the truck. So let me see if I can put them side by side here. Alrighty guys, so it is not the wiring. I was 100% wrong. It's the light. It's the stupid little light. So obviously this one's working fine. I tested it before I finished it up. I'll get under here and I'll show you to make sure it wasn't the wiring or the solder that was causing it. But I've got it hooked up. Nothing's touching. The light is not working. So I did test it with the other light as well, and it worked fine. So now that I know it's the bulb and it's not the wiring, let's give Rough Country a call and see if they'll send me either another one or just see what they say in general.
Chuck, I can help you.
Yeah, I have one of the bumpers I purchased from you probably only about a month ago. Provided with the bumper was the LED license plate lights, but one of them has quit working, and I didn't know if you guys could send me another one or how that could work. I have tested it to make sure it wasn't the truck.
Yeah, if you can take some pictures of that, and with the one working and the one not, and then send us a proof of purchase, we'll be more happy to send you one. Yeah, no problem.
Alrighty guys, so we are back in the garage. It's a couple days later. Rough Country's pretty close to where I'm at, so it doesn't take very long for them to ship stuff to me. Usually only a day or two, but we got the new lights from them. The last time we left off, we made the phone call, and yeah, we got the new lights, so let's get that one hooked up, wired in, and see if that truly was the issue. Alright guys, so we're done. We got it all wrapped up. Everything's tied up and soldered, heat shrinked, taped. It's all done. So it's a bummer that it happened. It's kind of it is what it is. So we'll see how long this one lasts. This is one of the originals. This one lasted about a month. Let's see if we have any issues with it. I'll keep everybody up to date. Oh, look at that. I got to get that all cleaned up. That's pretty nasty. So I did find the exact same light on eBay for like $3. So they sent me 2. Awesome. I bought 2 more just in case, so I don't have to deal with it again, and just in case one goes out. But other than that, I'm going to leave you there. Hope everybody's having a good day. Stay tuned for the next video. Videos weekly. Like, subscribe down below. Leave a comment. We'll catch you on the next one. See you later.